Hey guys, it is October and it is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Now, I want to thank Teresa, the owner of Artisan Cellar Etsy shop, for sponsoring this video because she has a passion for breast cancer awareness and also spreading the word. So this video is going to be about showing you how you can make PNG transparent backgrounds, and you don't have to be a graphic designer. You don't have to have a degree in it. It's something that you can do. All you have to have is some creativity. Now, she has a passion for spreading the word, and I know that October is the month for breast cancer awareness, but it is something that we should be celebrating and being aware of year round. Okay, so she goes and gets tested every 6 months, and everyone should always get tested for breast cancer. So I wanted to just go into her shop. So when you are wanting to design a PNG transparent background because you want to make a t-shirt, or you want to make a coffee mug, or a ball cap, whatever it is that you want to make, you don't have to be a graphic designer to do this. You just need a little bit of creativity. So as I am thanking Teresa so much for sponsoring this video, I'm also thanking her for spreading the word about breast cancer awareness. And I'm going to leave a link to her shop in the description below this video. Please go to her shop and purchase something to show your support for breast cancer awareness. Okay, so is what you do. Where do you find clip art? That's all you need, is clip art of some sort in a transparent background to make a design. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to do this. So she has several of these designs beautifully displayed on mock-up photos, and you know, she also has other niches here, but she really has a focus on breast cancer awareness. So I'm going to pull up one of her items here. This is one of them. In October, the girls wear pink. And this is also beautifully displayed on a t-shirt mock-up photo. And she has this in her store right now. You get this, you can either get this in a JPEG if you want to use it as like some sort of wall art. She also offers it in a PNG. If you want to put it on a t-shirt or a coffee mug, a tote bag, you know, just about anything, ball cap, whatever it is you want to do. So I highly recommend that you check her shop out. Once again, I'm going to leave a link to that in the description below. And great job, Teresa. These are beautifully displayed. She's actually showing here what they look like on different items. So if we go back here to this first picture, she's showing what her PNG file looks like on a t-shirt. And then she is also showing what it looks like on a coffee mug. And then she's showing what it looks like on wall art. Now, I actually did make a purchase from her shop because I want to support breast cancer awareness. And then she's showing what it looks like on a different t-shirt. And it looks like now she's showing what it looks like on a tote bag and on a ball cap. Okay, so I'm telling you, she's even showing here, this is another different type of wall art. And when I went to make the purchase, she actually had one of the items was set to, you know, a lower price. So I really highly recommend. She's got very reasonable prices. So in this picture, she's showing what it looks like on a different coffee mug mock-up photo. So she's showing you everything. Here's one that's plain. This is showing just the design itself. So Teresa, you did a great job on this listing, just absolutely wonderful. So back to this, I will be putting a link to her shop in the description below. Please make a purchase from her shop to support breast cancer awareness. So I'm going to show you how we can actually make something from this. So I am going to use something I purchased from her, okay? And it was this PNG file right here. I love this one. And it says, "No one fights like a girl." Now, I wanted to point out that when I made the purchase, she also offered this in a 3x5, a 5x7, an 8x10. She offered them in different sizes. Okay, so that if you were wanting to use it for wall art, you know, something like that, then at that point you could purchase that. So just wanted to point that out there, that you can also offer it in different sizes if you're going to be using it as wall art. If it's a PNG file, it doesn't really matter on the size because it's meant to stretch. Now, I did get the 5x7, so I'm going to show you how to make this transparent. So I pulled this PNG transparent background over onto this blank template. The next thing that I need to do is I'm going to click right here on background, and I'm going to fade this to 100%. Now this changes it completely to a transparent background. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to export this to the editor so that I can crop this down just a little bit. So export design to editor. And then I'm going to crop this down because we don't need all this excess space. And by the way, this works on just about anything that you are creating. I'm just using the breast cancer awareness right now just to show you how easily you can do this. Okay? And then I'm going to click apply. And then I'm going to go ahead and save this to my desktop as a PNG file. Okay, so now I'm going to go back and I'm going to put this on a mock-up photo as if I were going to list this item on Etsy. So all you have to do is go to the editor in iPicky.com, and I'm going to choose this mock-up photo right here just because it kind of has a fall theme to it with the pine cones. This could probably go fall or Thanksgiving or Christmas, whatever, but I did choose this mock-up photo to use. Okay, so is what we need to do to add the design that we just created to this mock-up photo is we're going to click right here on this layering tool. It looks like 3 little stacks of paper on top of each other, and we're going to go here and then we are going to upload the image, even though you can technically take the image that you created and put it on there. I was trying to show you how to make a transparent background. So we are going to upload what we just created in the PNG background, and we're going to pull it over here onto this design. Now, one thing about mock-up photos, as you can tell, the shirt is just a little bit tilted, so we want to kind of tilt it just a little bit, and we want to make this bigger so that it can be seen. And I think I'm kind of liking this right here. So that is how simple you do that. And then I'm going to click apply, and that flattens the image. I'm now going to go ahead and save this as a JPEG to my desktop. And by the way, you can save it wherever you want to. I just always save them to my desktop while I'm doing videos so that I can go back and easily find. So I'm just going to name this BCA for breast cancer awareness. And then I'm going to save this to my desktop so that I can easily go back and find it. So again, I want to thank Teresa with Artisan Cellar Shop for sponsoring this video today. It's very kind of you to do that and also to get the message out there for breast cancer awareness. And I'm going to leave a link to her shop in the description below. Also, if you are interested in me sponsoring your Etsy shop, I will also leave a link to a form that you can fill out. It's very simple to fill out, and you can also, I will be happy to sponsor and show your Etsy shop in one of my YouTube videos. Thank you so much for watching, and also thank you so much, Teresa, for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.